HP docking station drivers are software interfaces that allow your dock to communicate effectively with your computer. Updating these drivers is crucial for optimal performance, security, and compatibility. Updates fix bugs like audio distortion or connectivity drops, add features such as faster charging, improve compatibility with new operating systems like Windows 11 and macOS Sonoma, and patch security flaws. Outdated drivers can lead to issues like screen flickering or slow data transfers. HP releases updated drivers to address USB-C power delivery issues and enhance support for high-resolution displays. Ideally, check for updates quarterly via the HP Support Assistant app or HP's support site. Doing so ensures your docking station functions efficiently and securely. Updating your HP docking station drivers involves a few straightforward steps. First, identify your exact docking station model using the HP Support Assistant or by checking the device label. Next, use the HP Support Assistant or visit support.hp.com, enter your model, and download the latest driver package. For Windows, use Device Manager to browse for the downloaded driver file and update. For Mac, double-click the downloaded .dmg file and follow the prompts. After installation, restart your system. Finally, verify the updated driver version in Device Manager, Windows, or System Report, Mac, to confirm the update was successful. Regularly updating your drivers using these methods ensures your docking station remains up to date and performs optimally.